What is going on, my good people? It's Emoneyshoes back to you with this two-piece today. Some people are like, why you want to make two videos in one day? Why? Because I can. Just felt like saying that. No shot, no pun intended. Skip goes hard. It's all good in the neighborhood. No shots fired. And people like, people, Emoneyshoes taking shots at Skip. Skip knows it's all good. We chop it up every now and then. So this video, no intro, no outro, just plain Jane straight facts. No filler, maybe just me running my fat mouth and all of that stuff. Jump on the money squad, jump on the boat because it's full steam ahead. I will say jump on the tank, but that's kind of already taken. I know Limit Record, that'll be kind of biting his thing. But it's all good in the neighborhood. Everybody know this is Air Max month. So it's only fitting that I do an Air Max video. But before I jump into that, again, check out the Homie Money Run Clothing.com, MoneyRun_ on IG. Put that code in, do what you like to get that 20% off your offer. Some other people, check out my homie in the States, Oregon, JD Painter. He's on IG. He do my customs. Finna send my sixes up there so they can hit that Nike Air on that ass with that red. So you know how that is. Let me know if you copping those Citroen 4s for tomorrow. Some other people gonna start getting on the show like Snooch Customs. Got some people doing some artwork. So we're gonna dabble into a little bit of it and everything. But the main event is tomorrow. Big Shot versus McFly, KOL. Make sure you tune in 9 p.m. Eastern with my partners in crime, PM Kicks and 313 Retro Queen. We're going to chop it up for week 4. We got 2 more weeks left. Feets and Treats versus Splash. Drippy. Big feet versus small feet. It's going to be interesting. And then we're going to have the battle royal in the end. Everybody's gonna be on there, so make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe for this video, hit that notification bell. Like I said, we're gonna try to get this up to 1,600 by the end of the month. Pretty soon I will be doing a giveaway. You got to hit those notification bell because sometimes I just do impulse giveaways, so you just really never know. You just got to be Johnny on the spot, so to speak. Also, if I don't get back to you on the comments, I generally try to do it within 48 hours, but I will get back to you and give everyone their own unique response. That I can promise you. Even if I get way up in numbers, I will get back to everybody because I always chop it up with everyone. And in some of my videos, you see what I do, vlogs. Hit me up on the DM on IGE_money_shoes. Let me know. You cash out me, I can grab your item right there. I grabbed it for a couple people. They can vouch for it. I send you the receipt, all the stuff, the box, the tracking number, everything. Like I said, if you want it, just have your money ready and let me know, and I will get it up to you ASAP because that's how I roll. Without further ado, let's jump in right into this review. Let go. Moving clothes, Nike box. Got the little stringaling peeping out. Size 11.5. I can do it. We'll see. Air Max 95 Premium. Red Crush. Province Purple. I guess that's really special purple. Boy, I tell you. Suggested retail price. 170 of them things. 170. Nike box. Got your snapper ramp. I always got to show you that receipt. Play no games. But this is a steal. Look at that. Purple. $68. We got that little pathetic bag fee here. Fitting cents. I don't know about this shoe, but slam it on that box. That's my new thing. Just gonna slam it right on that box and then give me a zing or something like that. That's kind of cheesy, but something. I come up with something. But just let it shine, let it shine. I know 95 not for everybody, but we're gonna do it like this. Bottom, blue Nike Air. I like it. I like it. Kind of got glassy. Look at that. Up close and personal. Glassy. On that foot. I don't know. I'm gonna get bumped his head right down that forefoot. Not bad. Got a little change of range. Some people might not like these colors. Kind of dead. Kind of that sail white. Got that velvet. Is that velvet? You know, it don't look velvet in the camera, but it's more like a velvet. Then you got the red type of Velcro-ish materials right here. Coming on the tongue, you got blue and yellow with the Air Max, and you got the engraved Air Max right there, like so. Coming around the side, typical. Got a little blue carpet rocket. Look like gold corduroy, red, and we're gonna go with velvet sail white. And that bubble, you got that dark color. Then you got your stick check. Back it up on that Thas. You got Nike Air stitch, and look like somebody did a cute dog stomp on the back here. Coming on the medial side, you got your red again. Like I said, look like corduroy, but these two look like corduroy, like a sack, one of them sack race bags or something. And you got your carpet right here. I like this. And then this is a rough ass suede here. And then you got velvet. And then you got your off-white sail or whatever with your black. Coming inside, like I said, you see that 170 of them things, that Nike Air. Production date 2/21/18 to 5/18/18. So not too long ago. Well, actually it is too long. This is 19. What I'm thinking, I'm done year behind. So with that being said, this one is an interesting color here. Let's see. On the lid meat, I get about 4.0 on a 5. This one would be kind of hard to rock, I ain't gonna lie. This one here, yep, 4 out of 5. I think I'll go with that. So you guys let me know in the comment suggestion below. Would you have picked that shoe up for that price, or you just let it sit and double behind the back, no look Magic Johnson pass this shoe? Leave a comment suggestion below. Like I said, let me know. Let me know what's on the comp meter. But like I said, don't forget to check out the show tomorrow. We only got 3 more weeks, and everybody vote. Everything is critical. We building the hype up. We got some other stuff. We got some spin-off shows coming with Sister 313. She got her thing. You're gonna see the hashtag Triple F going on more and more. And PM Kicks got his thing coming up. I don't want to spoil it. I'll let him get his out first before we start promoting it. So other than that, go check out the Homie Money Run Clothing. Like I said, use that code. Also check out Snooch Custom. You need that design those shirts and engravings. JD the Painter. The Homie do custom. Like I said, he gonna do my Nike Air on that ass for them 6s. And I can't wait to bring y'all those results. Other than that, go ahead and watch the Lakers. Hopefully they can beat the Bucks. If not, it's gonna be a long, and then I'm gonna be salty tonight. So other than that, hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thank you for supporting your boy Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.